Hello folks, in this video we'll talk about AWS reference sites for deep dive. I found there are 7 reference links which can be referenced when you want to deep dive into certain services, and these are very important. Let's go over each of these links in an order. Okay, so AWS documentation. This is docs.aws.amazon.com. In this, you talk about all the services. They talk about all the services. Primarily, it is for the user guides, developer guides, API references, tutorials, and more. And you can very well deep dive into these in this section of this site. You can go to EC2, click on the EC2. And then you can find a user guide and then API references and then CLI references. You can go to respective link and then browse over the features of that EC2, and then in order to find some concepts which you are looking for. That's a great site, and this is the Bible for the aws.amazon.com. The second thing is quick starts to deploy any kind of popular technologies on AWS based on the AWS best practice for security and high availability. This is the sites you can go through different use cases and you can deploy onto the AWS. So this is another quick start site, very useful. And if you want to do some advanced stuff on the AWS, let's go and watch this. And then third thing is reference architectures. This provides maybe the reference architectures, diagrams, and pretty much the vetted architecture solutions, well architected best practices. And you can browse over these, like the different feature technology domains. We can take each domain and then see how the architectures are defined, and you can deep dive into it. Okay. The fourth one is about the news. What are the latest features that AWS is introducing day by day, and in 2020, and so all these features you can browse and deep dive into this particular site, which is called this site, what's new site. And this is the developer site, where you can be part of the AWS community, and this is the place where you can read all the developer news, dig into our tools, and share their own ideas and with the community worldwide. This is another important site if you are on the AWS developer side. And then case studies. So this is another site where you can go through different customers, their case studies, how their architectures, how they deployed, what is their problem, what is the architecture they adopted, and how did they get benefited in terms of cost, security, scalability, and performance, and highly availability. So this is another great site where you can refer for the case studies. Last but not least, the pricing calculator for all your workloads. You can refer this site and you can estimate for your compute, for your storage, for your audience, for your ECS, for your whatnot, CloudFront, CloudFormation, everything. You can go here and then you can get the estimate monthly and then yearly. Okay, so pretty much this is what I wanted to talk in this video, to give the overall picture of all these reference links which can be used for deep diving and referencing different AWS services and different industries, and going through different case studies. That's all pretty much. Thanks for listening to me, and I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you.